guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Discord bot, and we're going to be using discord.js, which is a node.js package, so I expect you to have at least a little node.js experience. And what is Discord? I have it pinned right here. Discord is a chatting app, and you can make little bots, and that's my introduction to what a Discord bot is. And let's get right into it. So, if you don't already have your Discord bot set up, you're going to have to go to Discord developer portal, and you'll see your applications. I already have some. I'm going to make a new application. Let's put the name. We're going to say demo. And now that we have our application name, we can make some bots that are attributed to that app. So let's add that bot. And yes, I want that to make that app. So now we have an app created. We're going to say that username is that, and bot permissions, we don't need it, we can ignore that. We can collect the token by copying that, yeah. And OAuth. What is OAuth? OAuth is how you invite the bot to your server. So let's invite the bot to our server. So let's say, yeah, it's just a bot. So let's copy that link. So this link that it just gave us is what we're going to use, what we're going to give people that want to invite the bot to their server. So if we just paste that link into there, it'll say demo connect to Discord, and then it says add bot to, and we can invite bot to whatever server we like. But first, before we actually invite it, let's give it some permissions. Let's say you can send messages, it can manage messages, say you can attach files, embed links, sure, add reactions, yeah, manage nicknames, change nicknames. Okay, those are all the permissions we're going to give it, and let's copy this invite code link. I'm going to paste it in the search bar, and let's just invite it to our server. Which server should I invite it to? Lucas's club. Or no, Poseidon's Discord. Cool. Continue. Authorize. Now we've authorized it, and it's going to say, I'm not a robot. Yes, I am a robot. I'm not a robot. Authorized. Awesome. I can now close this window. And now it actually should be invited to my server. So if I go to Poseidon's Discord cult, you can see the demo bot. The demo bot was invited. So now let's actually start getting to writing some code. So I don't need that anymore. Oh, actually, I do need the token, so let's copy that. I'm just going to get that back to that Discord developer portal. Go back to demo. Going to go to that bot, and I'm going to click to reveal token. I'm going to copy that token. And now we don't need that. So I'm going to make a new code project. We're going to say Discord demo bot. That's just the folder that I'm going to say Discord demo bot. So let's go inside there. I'm going to open that up with my code editor of choice, which is Visual Studio Code. Open folder to open that folder up. Code projects, Discord demo bot. That's where my bot is going to be. Should be greeted with a little welcome screen if you're using Visual Studio Code. Now, I'm going to create a new file inside of here called index.js. You can name it whatever you want. It just needs to be a JS file. And we also need our terminal. Whatever terminal you're using, I'm going to use a bash terminal, which is also Linux. It doesn't have to be Linux. Linux is kind of just a flavor. I'm also it's git bash. Just to show you guys, I'm just going to go to open git bash up this way. So this is my bash terminal. I'm going to get the location of this folder by just tapping the directory of this folder by just copy path, and then I'm going to go back to my terminal and I'm going to just say change directory to that. Now I'm at that directory, so now I have access to that index.js file. So if I wanted to run the project, I could say node index.js. And if you ever used npm before, you have to start with the npm init just to initialize it, just to get some that start stuff. Npm init. Yes, I do want my package name to be Discord demo bot. I do want my version to be 1.0.0. Here, I'll also just try to make this text a little bigger for you guys. Yeah, I do want that version. Description. This is a Discord bot demo. Yeah. Yep, what I want. So now we have our package.json file made. We also want to install discord.js, so just npm install discord.js to install it. Not uppercase. Npm install discord.js, not uppercase. So as you can see, we downloaded it. And by the way, you can visit their website by typing in discordjs.org and it'll say to install it, npm install discord.js. Here's an example of it in action. So let's step through what's actually happening here. We're importing the discord.js module. We're making a new client to interact with, and when the client, our bot, is ready, we're going to just console.log to the console. I'm logged in as client.user.tag, which is just getting the username of client. And then when we receive a message, client.on message, we're going to get that message object, and this arrow syntax that you see right there, it's called an arrow syntax, which I have a tutorial on, and it's basically another way to make a function. And so what this does right here, this little block, is all it does is it receives a message and it checks if the message.content, the content of the message, equals ping, and then the bot will just reply with pong. And to actually log into the bot, we're going to just say client.login token, which we already know our token. So that Discord.js is where you can look at their stuff. So let's get writing some code. Const Discord. We're just going to import Discord equals require Discord.js. And a constant is just a variable that's constant. You can't change it. Const client equals new Discord.client just to get that new client instance. And we're going to log into our bot and we're going to put our token. I can't spell, man. And insert your token. So get my token. Yeah, that's my token for my bot. And we're just going to say client.onReady. I'm just going to say when it is ready, we're going to make a new we're going to call an anonymous function, and it's going to say I'm ready. Yes, the bot is ready. So let's just see if that what we have right now. I'm going to clear the console with the clear command, which will only work if you have bash. So now let's go to my server. And actually first let's actually run index.js. Okay, cannot find module index.js. So we might have not installed index.js. I mean discord.js correctly. So let's just install it again. -save to save it to package lock.json. Okay. Now let's try running it again. Okay, so the bot says that it is ready, and let me just share this part. As you can see, a bot that is online is demo. Okay, so that's great. Our bot demo is online. Okay. So let's actually make it respond to something. Let's say client.on. And on is just something they use to wait for events. Message, we're going to say we're going to retrieve that message event object, and let's just say if message.content equals meaning that it is ping, we're just going to say message.reply pong. Now this is super similar to discord.js's example, which I'll link to in the description, but I'm going to add some more stuff to help you understand. So I'm just going to save that. Let's restart the bot, because every time you make a change you have to restart the bot to update the changes. So as you can see, the demo bot is still online. Let's go to general and let's type in ping, and now it is replied with pong. And what the message.reply is actually is it'll actually ping the user, as you can see right here, and then it'll put a comma automatically without you saying so if you put message.reply, and then you can put your content. If you don't like that ping and the comma that it puts, you can say message.channel.send, I believe. So now that we made that change, let's restart our bot. We're going to say node index.js, and let's see. As you can see, let me just type ping pong, and now you don't get that little ping and the comma anymore. So if you want bot prefixes, and bot prefixes are prefixes that are specifically for the bot. So if the message content starts with to this at exclamation mark T, they're just going to say you called on me. So what this is doing is anytime that a message starts with exclamation mark T, it's going to say you called on me, and that would be what a bot bot prefix is. So now I want to go to some interesting things. There is something called Discord embeds that you've seen in Discord bots. Now, if you've already said I've had enough, that's fine, you can go. But please consider subscribing. But if you do want to learn about Discord embeds, which are super cool and useful for bots, then stick with me. So let's make a new embed. Let's say var embed, we're just going to make an embed, equals new discord dot message embed. And now we can say embed dot add oh shoot add field, and then we can say, or no, set description, and say this is a description. And then we can also say set the color of our embed, set color and then let's go to our hex color picker. Where's the hex color code? Okay, I'm going to copy that hex color code, and I think it has to be hex color code, but we'll see. And now you also actually have to send it, message.channel.send, to actually send the embed to the user. So let's just send that. Now let's restart the bot. Clear node index. Oh, fun fact actually. If you already have the npm init, if you've already initialized it, you can just do node dot, and you don't have to type all of that other stuff. Okay, so my bot is ready. Now I'm just going to say now we're going to go back, and as you can see, if I type @t, which is our bot prefix, it'll emit our little embed from our demo bot, and it'll give us a nice little embed, a nice little red embed, and saying this is a description, and I can delete the embed. Anyways, I hope you like this video, and I think you should please consider subscribing. Look at these analytics. Oh shoot. Look, watch time from subscribers, last 28 days, not subscribed, 88.7%, and subscribed, 11.3%. And it really helps me out if you subscribe, but again, just consider it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!